Hello everyone, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. This truck is built with one clear mission in mind, to dominate off-road terrain while still being practical and comfortable enough for everyday driving. If you're someone who loves adventure but still needs a reliable daily truck, this one deserves your full attention. Right from the first look, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro makes a bold statement. The front end is aggressive and purposeful, featuring a blacked-out grille with bold Toyota lettering, a raised hood scoop, and signature LED headlights that give it a serious trail-ready look. The wider stance, chunky all-terrain tires, and TRD Pro badging instantly tell you this is no ordinary Tacoma. From the side, the lifted suspension and skid plates hint at the truck's off-road capability, while the muscular fenders and rugged proportions give it a confident presence on and off the road. Around the back, the reinforced bed and durable tailgate keep things functional and tough. Step inside the cabin and you'll notice that Toyota has blended ruggedness with modern comfort. The interior feels durable and adventure-ready, with high-quality materials designed to handle dirt, dust, and hard use. The seats are heavily bolstered to keep you secure during aggressive off-road driving, yet they're still comfortable enough for long road trips. The driving position is commanding, giving you excellent visibility, and the digital instrument cluster paired with a large touchscreen infotainment system keeps everything easy to access. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are fully integrated, making navigation, music, and communication seamless whether you're deep in the wilderness or cruising through the city. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro delivers performance that's all about torque and control. The engine is tuned to provide strong low-end power, which is exactly what you want for rock crawling, steep climbs, and towing. Throttle response feels sharp and confident, and the transmission shifts smoothly whether you're driving slowly over rough terrain or accelerating onto the highway. Toyota's advanced four-wheel drive system works brilliantly here, offering multiple terrain modes that adapt the truck's behavior to mud, sand, rocks, or snow, giving you confidence no matter where you go. On the road, the Tacoma TRD Pro feels solid and surprisingly comfortable for an off-road focused truck. The suspension, featuring high-performance off-road shocks, absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces with ease while still maintaining stability at higher speeds. Steering feels precise and controlled, and the truck remains composed even when the road conditions aren't ideal. While it's clearly designed for adventure, it doesn't feel out of place as a daily driver, which is one of the Tacoma TRD Pro's biggest strengths. Off-road is where this truck truly shines. With increased ground clearance, reinforced skid plates, locking rear differential, crawl control, and hill descent control, the Tacoma TRD Pro is built to handle extreme trails straight from the factory. Whether you're navigating rocky paths, deep sand, or muddy tracks, the truck feels planted and confident. The suspension articulation allows the wheels to stay connected to the ground, improving traction and control, while the rugged frame ensures long-term durability even under harsh conditions. The bed is just as practical as it is tough. It's designed to handle heavy gear, camping equipment, tools, or adventure supplies without any trouble. Tie-down points, a durable bed liner, and optional power outlets make it easy to customize the bed for work or play. This makes the Tacoma TRD Pro not just an off-road machine, but a genuinely useful pickup truck. Safety and technology are also a big part of the package. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, and road sign recognition. These systems work quietly in the background, adding peace of mind whether you're driving in traffic or exploring remote areas. What really sets the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro apart is its reputation. Tacoma has long been known for reliability, strong resale value, and bulletproof engineering, and the TRD Pro takes that reputation to the next level. It's a truck built for enthusiasts who want serious off-road capability straight from the factory without needing expensive aftermarket upgrades. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is more than just a mid-size pickup truck. It's a lifestyle vehicle. It's tough, capable, and confident, yet comfortable enough for everyday use. If your idea of fun includes trails, mountains, deserts, or simply owning a truck that can handle anything you throw at it, the Tacoma TRD Pro continues to be one of the best choices on the market. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth truck and off-road vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.